Okay. So, hello everyone. So today with us we have Mr. Prakshal
Yes.
and Delis, right?
Yes.
So, Prakshal, I guess आपका भी IIMs का रिजल्ट आया है तो कौन सा IIM आपने क्रैक कर
Sir, I am Rohtak.
IIM Rohtak, right? And what about you, Delis?
Sir, I'm Amrit.
IIM अमृतसर. लेकिन नॉट ओनली दिस, आई गेस जस्ट अभी CUET का भी रिजल्ट आया था, तो आई गेस कौन कौन से कॉलेजेस दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में क्रैक करे आप?
SRCC and Shahid Sukhdev.
बोथ द कॉलेजेस जो एक्चुअल में स्टूडेंट्स टारगेट करते हैं कि DU में मिले तो SRCC मिल जाए, शहीद सुखदेव मिल जाए, दोनों ऑप्शन मिल रहे हैं.
Yes.
कौन सा सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो दोनों में से?
Sir, SRCC.
SRCC फॉर विच कोर्स?
BCom.
एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट डेलिस, अगेन इनका ड्रीम था कि अच्छा लेवल का कॉलेज मिले DU में भी अलोंग विद IIMs, तो आई गेस गार्गी कॉलेज
Yes, sir.
आपका एडमिशन हुआ इन ऑन द
Yes,
बेसिस
sir.
ऑफ CUET, राइट?
Yes.
So tell us about your first reaction जब आपने IIM का रिजल्ट चेक करा एंड CUET रिजल्ट चेक करा, आपका क्या रिएक्शन था, पेरेंट्स का क्या रिएक्शन था?
सर पेरेंट्स और बहुत ही हैप्पी थे सब, क्योंकि सारे ऑप्शंस ओपन हो गए थे दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के भी, और IIMs दोनों तरफ मिल रहे थे, और दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में भी कोई सा भी कोर्स और कोई से भी कॉलेज मिल रहा, तो हर चीज.
थोड़ा सा अपना स्कोर भी बताओ CUET का.
सर CUET में फॉर नॉर्थ कैंपस आई हैव स्कोर्ड 945.
945, which is one of the highest score out
Yes,
of
sir.
1000. right?
1000. And for Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, I have scored 860 out of 1000.
860.
Yes, sir.
यानी and the cutoff was 806, I
Yes,
guess,
sir.
right? And relatives का क्या रिएक्शन था? वो हैप्पी थे, सैड थे कि एडमिशन हो गया?
इस पे तो सब हैप्पी थे.
What about you? What was your reaction and your family reaction?
So my family was very happy because I had already selected for the PI process for IIM Amritsar, and then after getting the result for DU as well, I was like that now my options are open. Now I have the power to choose to where I have to go, and I'm not compelled to have one option.
So आपने ईयर लॉन्ग प्रिपरेशन करा और शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्स लिया था?
सर ईयर लॉन्ग.
In long term preparation. And what about you?
Same thing,
Long term
long.
preparation. So what do you want to guide to the future aspirants, those who are targeting the IPMAT exam और CUET exam? कब से प्रिपरेशन करें, कैसे CBSE के साथ they can like actually manage the, because सबसे बड़ा डाउट होता है how to manage preparation along with CBSE, तो आप दोनों ने कैसे मैनेज किया?
सर एटलीस्ट 1 year लॉन्ग तो बैच इज प्रेफर्ड एज कम्पेयर टू लास्ट में क्रैश कोर्स लेना. एंड सेकेंडली अबाउट मैनेजिंग, हाउ टू मैनेज, सो वी कैन अलॉट आर weekly schedule. For example, let's say we allot our Saturdays and Sundays for IMS and IBMAT preparation, and we can devote the rest of the 5 days of the week for CUET domains and board preparation. That is enough for.
And anything you want to add on this?
Yes, sir, I would like to say that being consistent helps a lot in the long run, because it's not just the intensity that matters that you study with, it is the quality over quantity again. So it matters how much you are studying over the long year. It's not really necessary to study every day and to devote every day, but a particular period of
कंसिस्टेंसी
time.
मैटर करती है कि
Yes,
थोड़ा थोड़ा
हाँ,
एवरीडे
हाँ,
करेंगे
हाँ
तो हम
जी.
अचीव करेंगे. अच्छा, व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ मॉक टेस्ट फॉर IPMAT एंड CUET? आप कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है मॉक टेस्ट?
Sir, mock test, we should, students generally start from January and Feb, but that is very wrong. We should start mocks very early. But one thing जो हमें माइंड में रखनी चाहिए, mocks tell us where we stand in our preparation. Mocks will not help that हमारे प्रिपरेशन एक तरह से बेटर हो रही है. तो मॉक्स आपको बताएंगे कि आप 30% अचीव किया, 40%, बट अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो कि 30% से मैं 90% पे पहुंच जाऊंगा मॉक्स, तो दैट इज नॉट अचीवेबल. इट विल help you analyze ki where you are standing in your
So
preparation
any
journey.
analysis is equivalently important, not only just giving your mock, but you need to analyze as well.
Yes.
कि
Yes.
what are, in which areas you are doing right
Yes.
and wrong, right? And CUET में भी mock test and MCQ practice chapter wise matter करती है?
Yes.
Hanji. And more than that, I think previous year questions are extremely important, and I would give the credit to the IMS portal for that, because it is genuinely very exceptional for that preparation. Because mocks के लिए and then previous year question के लिए बहुत सालों में ये होता है, in many of the question papers of every entrance exam जो मॉक्स हम देते हैं, the same questions are repeated in your question paper. They're very much alike and very much similar. So you have the experience कि आपने already पढ़ रखा है, तो आपके पास वो foot forward होता है उसमें.
Anything you want to add on this?
सर यस, मतलब CUT के प्रिपरेशन के लिए मॉक्स आर वेरी नेसेसरी. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई हैव स्कोर्ड 100 percentile in accountancy and mathematics as a domain. So mocks help me a lot, and sometimes we get new type of questions in the mocks that are deep down words inside the NCERT. So that helps a lot in our CUT preparation.
So overall, how was your experience with IMS for last 1.5 year you're preparing with us? So anything you want to?
I would like to say that it was amazing. The entire faculty is very supportive. Especially, I would give a shout out to Banshul sir because after I got my result for the PI interview, he was genuinely supportive. He was like a guiding light that every student needs. Whenever I was stressed, the faculty would push me forward to do better. So yeah, I would genuinely give credit to the IMS faculty.
And sir, for me, Anupam sir played a very important role. He helped me throughout my preparation, ki where you are lacking and what you can do next to achieve more. Throughout my preparation, he helped me a lot, and IMS portal is very good.
Last but not the least, again, congratulations both of you for achieving such a
Thank you,
heights
sir.
in early of your life, right? Chalo, all the best. Take care. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.